Hello, in this video I want to show you how to update the firmware on Insta360 Ace Pro. And to do this, first you'll need to make sure that your camera is charged above 20%. When it is, then we can go with the update. Open the Insta360 app on your smartphone. Also make sure that it's connected, but if you have your camera ready like I have right here, it's probably already connected. If not, I recommend to watch our video on how to set up this camera. You can find it on our main channel. Then we can look for device firmware info in the settings, click on it, and then click on firmware version and select update. Now wait a few moments till the update is finished. And the update is successful. We can tap to connect to camera. And now everything is done. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.